If you have lived through outages where nothing obvious failed, but the business still took a hit, this will sound familiar. Here's the idea that usually feels wrong at first. Downtime is not an event. It is not a moment. It is not a timestamp. Most real outages do not start with something breaking. They start with something behaving differently. Everything still looks up. No alarms. No clear trigger. But the system is already drifting into a failure state. By the time someone declares an outage, the failure has already happened. There's why teams end up searching for a cause that never quite exists. And why the most expensive part of downtime is often the confusion, not the outage itself.